What up? Who's out there? Who's out there? Say hello to my little friend. I just said hello to it because I had to pee. You know, this trade I was just in, if I would have just held for my take profit, I would have been up like a bajillion in one of my funded Apex accounts. But I didn't. So I'm not. What else is new? Well, let me let the DCA gang know that I'm fucking live. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. Shit, I gotta get something. Oh, let me turn my screen sharing on. Oh my God, is it gonna fill this wick? Damn, I was fucking right. I'm so mad I could scream. I'm so mad I could just scream right now. I was in, watch, I'll show you guys. This is the account I was trading. Oh, man. I got 440 out of it, which is fine because I'm on day 4 and I'm at 53,000. I'm at 3,000, a little over 3,000 in profit after 4 days of trading, but I'll show you the screenshot of the trade I was in. Hold on, I'm scrolling through the DGen fam Discord over here. There. 833.75 was my take profit. I just missed it by a tick, and then it bounced. It popped up. What did it go up to? Well, actually, I was already out of the trade. Right here. It went to 834. And then it popped to 849. I think I was in at 862, the original trade. I did go a little bit long after it bounced. And now look at it. It's fucking 20-something points lower. But whatever. I'm up 3,041 overall. I got $2,941 in drawdown. I need another $1,000. I need another $1,059 to get to max payout land. And then what else do I got going on? I needed $170 or so to get over the max, you know, the profit target for this take profit trader eval that I'm trading, and I did that yesterday. And then I went for another, you know, $900 day in. I went for another $900 day in trade day. I got that. And then this is my Apex accounts. Even though I'm green everywhere, this account was up. Look how close. This was a gold trade. This was yesterday. Look how I was one tick away. One fucking tick from my take profit. It went all the way against me. I wasn't even watching. I closed my laptop. I was like, yeah. But look how I'm still green. Isn't that fucked up? Look how close that shit got. But I did pass another one. I went way over by mistake. I forgot to put my take profit in. And then these are the two evals I got, not evals. These are the two PAs I started with on Friday. So after 2 days, I got them up 782. I got almost all of my drawdown, and they're up $1,900 overall, $1,912 overall after 2 days. I'll take it. Then I got to trade these two. That's what I want to do now. I don't know what I want to do. I might have missed it. That might be it right there. Got to pay attention to gold too. Gold's been moving like crazy during power hour. Well, that was a nice spot for a bounce. Are we going to go lower? It's kind of like a head and shoulders right here we got going on. When is it going to confirm and just dump all over everyone's fucking face? You know? Let's see who's out here, though. I haven't said what's up to anybody in the chat yet. I'm sorry, chat. Hey, chat. Hope you accept my apology, chat. You guys forgive me, chat? Hey, chat. Chat, chickadee chat. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. What's up, chat? Chick chat. All right. Who the fuck is out here? Who do we got here? Who do we got? Maximus, Kenny, Eric J, JK, V33, Hotshot, Nayo, Marcine, Isaac, Mr. Goblin, Felix, J, A28, Danny Siebers, Marco, Tactical, Vincenzo, Markel, P. Shenanigan, Jay Stores. Bro, I fucking knew they were going to choke. This is the worst fucking season ever. Fucking losers. What a bunch of fucking losers. David Stearns is the worst fucking GM ever. The genius. Seems like the Brewers are doing just fine without him. What a fucking loser. Newts. D-Gen Rehab. Is she naked for real? Oh my God. Must watch TV. Oh, D-Gen Rehab. I think I've seen that channel before. Is that the one who drinks when she's trading? She's drinking like wine? I think I've seen her before. Newts. Vince. Crouton. What? In the what? I said what? Mateo. Cody. Jasmine. I don't know. What's your profit at, Jasmine? What's your profit at? What's your biggest day that you had? All of that matters. You can't have one single day can't be more than 30% of your total profit. That's for starters. Did you go down 30% or more in any single trade that you were trading, whether it was realized or unrealized? As long as that didn't happen, you should be okay. I got to create a group. New group. Mets are trash. Nah, I don't want to. Fuck that. I don't want that. They're cursed. I don't want that shit creeping into my PAs. What in the what? I said what in the what? Boom. 48, 49. Now we just fucking wait. What's gold doing? Look, gold. Look at gold. It's already up 35 fucking ticks. Look at gold. I mean, just look at gold. Look what gold is. It's fucking crazy. Gold already moved today. Look at the range on fucking gold today. 622, 862. Watch this. Almost 800 fucking ticks. I feel like I missed this move on gold. I already missed it. Look at that. 45 ticks already. $45 fucking ticks. Who else is out here? Mateo, Zabak, Drewski, JC Trades, Roger Adams. What's up, Bach? Profit is 3,000 over buffer, followed oral, so pray for me. Yeah, you should be all right. Yeah, that's great. You're doing great. Gary, what up? Here for some rightness. Day trader cut. What's good? Is NQ dumping? I knew that Trump fucking Bibby fucking joint conference where he's fucking, jerking him off under the fucking desk was going to fucking make this market go down. What a fucking disgrace. P shenanigan. La chaos. And I like Trump, but Trump was going like this in that conference. That's all he ever does when it comes to that fucking guy. Jordan. Just ain't right. Wah! Iggy Pop. That's all they all do. It's almost like they all work for him. Who's in fucking charge here? They're dropping bombs all over Iran because they might have nuclear weapons. Meanwhile, Iran is actually in the nuclear proliferation treaty, and they're in compliance. Guess who's not? Oh, we don't want to talk about this again. I don't want to talk about this shit again. Such a fucking joke. Where are we at on this fucking chart? Man, this was the level I had drawn out. We finally hit my level. I posted this in the Discord. There it is. I fucking posted it. I guess this fucking Head and Shoulders is confirming. We just missed hitting it like earlier, like where we bounced here. But I had this level because this was Thursday's high a day. It just looked like it wanted to go there because we had some support here. Watch, if I go to the hourly, support, right? All of this right here. I wonder if it comes down here, though. It's not a bad spot to go long. What in the what? I said what in the what? I said what? Does it want to go down first, though? I like it here. I could be wrong, but I like it here. We'll find out. Tight stop. Actually, that's not that tight. I said what in the what? Oh, don't fucking reject over here. Don't reject it. I said what in the what? I said what in the what? Get the fuck up there. Get the fuck up there. Granny, don't. I have to take this. I can't let this come all the way back. Fucking piece of shit. We all know it's going to hit my take profit, but I can't let that shit come all the way back. How much drawdown did I lose on that? I was up as much as 850. Bowser. Tuesday's lows also? Well, this is Thursday's high a day. This level that we're at right now that we just bounced off of. Basically, we wicked below. And that, what is this? Tuesday's low? So, yeah, look at that. That's interesting. Tuesday's low. Thursday's high. Watch, now it's going. Look. Oh, you fucking cocksucker. I have to. Uh-oh. We just go higher, I guess. 23, it's what, 18? No, I need 700. Whatever. All I had to do was just hold, right? This is going to backfire on me? Probably. Maybe, maybe not. What's wrong with 525 bucks? What was my take profit on the original trade? It was 10, 810. 810 is my take profit. Well, like the take profit on the first trade. Oh, look, all I had to do was hold. It's right fucking there. And I'd have 1,200 bucks on the day. Now I got to ride this fucker up more if I want that. Oh. That went to 925. Did it just hit it? Oh, there's 810. Look at that. I think it's coming up around here, though, or here. Just push a little more so I can move my stop up and have some room. But that all I had to do was hold, and I'd have $1,200 if I held the original trade. But you know what? Got to be safe, especially on a brand new fucking PA. Safer. Let's go. You got a little bit more in the tank. No, guess not. I guess 810 was the spot. 810.25. Look at that. See? Crazy. Let's see if it keeps pushing up. Nope. Oh, maybe. Yeah, so you guys can see it better. I mean, I see it fine. ICUP. Spell ICUP. You guys remember that? Bobby D, Jake Bradley, Faisal, Tony Gold, Slick Rick, The Ruler, No Name, Tickle, Jay Hundo. Yeah. Remember the Samson option. Look it up. That's why they all lick the peanut butter off of that guy's nuts. Because of the Samson option. He probably throws it in their face all the fucking time. All right. Man, see that? I'd have a $1,200 day on the first day with these accounts if I would have just fucking held the original trade. This right here might be an issue. Oh, we already hit that. All right, I'm taking this. I'll take 6 points minimum. Make it 7 points. Keep fucking going! Please. Holy Earth. The Penn 15 Club. Yeah. Penn Island. Penn Eyes Land. Come on, push a little further, you fucker. Is it going to pull back here? Yeah, I got to take it. I can't. All right, we're good. Let it hit my take profit again. 869. I got most of my drawdown. I'll take it. Day one in the books on these two. Day one. Man, all I had to do was hold the original take profit, the original trade. I mean, I don't trust the NQ ever. So like I let a little fucking, I was trailing tight. Oh, here comes my take profit. Watch this. But whatever. 869, day one in the books on these, day two on the books on these. This is past. This one's on day fucking 4. These are not these. This one is over the profit target, and I'm on day 4 with this. So I just need a flip day, which is I'm going to do as soon as the market reopens. I'll get that out of the way. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? I just can't lose like $15 to make them holla. And then this is on day 2, up $1,800. I actually had this higher, but I fucking miscalculated the trade, so I had to lose money on purpose because I didn't want to have to grow it. I think I was up 974 at the peak of the day with this account, so I lost some money on purpose. 974 divided by 0.3 would have forced me to grow the account if I stayed at 974 to preserve my drawdown. Would have forced me to go $246 over the profit target. Which why would I want to fucking do that? When all I had to do was just lose $63 in drawdown. And there it is. There's another take profit. Look, just fucking hold, Jay. There it is. Where was it? Where was the take profit? 1975. Yep. Well, whatever. It is what it is. Yash, Drifter. Yeah. Tyler. Debt 5, what up? Who else did I miss? Did I miss anybody? I think I got everybody. Hot Shot. Crouton. Gary. I think I got everybody. If I didn't say what's up, say what's up in the chat so I can say what's up. What up, Anthony Jr.? Nick Trades. Nick, I'm sorry. I'm trying, bro. Twice I'd be at fucking like $1,200, but it is what it is. It's a good first day. No complaints. I think part of my issue, one of my issues has been a long-standing issue is me getting annoyed with myself that I don't hold and I see the fucking trade well, and then I start trying to chase that number, chase that profit target, and that's when I get into trouble. So I'm done. We're good. It's a great first fucking day on those accounts. Now I can fuck around with some evals. Right? Right. Although I probably missed, like, this was a great, I mean, we just went up. It's 40 points. It's 40 points. What's gold doing? Moving pretty good. 1445. Miss Goody. Miss Goody loves growth. Oh my God. Vince. Harjeet. Feline. Great Dane. Where's Stock Cars and Bets? La Chaos. What up? Nomad. What's good? Honest Take. Stock Cars and Bets won an account, never fucking claimed it. Nice job. Hey, way to finish the month strong. There's more than I could say for myself, but as far as I'm concerned, September's over for me. So I'm just focused on building some momentum into fucking going into October. And that's exactly what I'm fucking doing right now. Right now! Faisal, you just hit the buffer on one. Great job, man. Miss Goody. Sean, what's up? Clinvale. Roberto. Pew, pew. There you go. Yeah. Oh, all right, cool. I wasn't like, I haven't seen you either. So, you don't have to do it today. I don't know what happened to you. Whenever you want to, just, I would recommend if you're going to, so you have your choice of a 50K take profit trader, a 50K trade day. And if you want to grab a couple of 50K Apex evals or one of the bigger size accounts, since they're like $80, do that before the sale ends. The sale ends tomorrow. Also, you might want to do that before tomorrow anyway, because the $85 lifetime activation fee is going away as well, unless they extend it. PK, what up? Tory Trade's husband. Yeah, buddy. How do you record videos and send to Apex? Clinvale. Do you have, I don't know what you're on. You could download something called Loom, Loom. Loom is this right here. This is what I used to make all of my screen capture videos on. Loom. But it's good. It'd be perfect for what you need to do there. But I've moved on. I use something else now, but Loom.com. This right here. I'll drop the link. I'll drop the link in the chat. Jose Carlos, what up? Cody, you should have never reached out, man. Chat, hey, chat, I dropped the link in the chat, all right, chat? We good, chat? Look at that. I would have fucking top-ticked the fucking NQ if I held that trade. But whatever, we're good. Look at these accounts. Those are good funded accounts. They're good. Only if they ask you for them. What up, Ezekiel? Only if they ask. They say October's a scary month. Ha! Investors, what up? Stu, what up? Thank you. Now I just have some evals to trade. All 5 of my PAs are looking good. No complaints there, and I've got another one coming. That was a nice little drop. Not enough. Actually, it would have been enough. What's gold doing now? Gold's not quite moving as much as it did the last couple of power hours, but there's still time. Looks like ass. This is the 15-minute chart. Is it going to fill this wick? Am I going to wear a costume on the stream? I don't know. I didn't last year. I don't even know when was Halloween last year. I don't really give a fuck about Halloween. I might. I got to find someone I can make fun of in this space. And then that'll be my costume. Someone in the prop from streets I can make fun of. It's on a Friday. Okay. Where was it last year? No, I don't dress up. Yash, I don't dress up. I don't dress up like a female. I don't do that shit. I'm not participating in that humiliation ritual. Okay? No, I don't participate in that type of ritual. Miss Goody knows the deal. Crouton. Arena trades. Yeah, dress up like an Amish guy. Oh man, and put his name on a sticker, his real name. That was a hot topic. Remember that? Was anybody around for that shit? I got nothing against. I like Nutty. I got nothing but love for Nutty. Trent. Be the Epstein of Wall Street. I'll think of something. Broncos or Bengals tonight? That's a good question. That's a good question. I mean, the Bengals don't have fucking, their star quarterback. Who's their backup quarterback? Jake Browning? Come on. No, turf toe. He's got turf toe. I've had turf toe before. That shit fucking hurts. That shit hurts. Fucking Burrows. I don't know. This shit ain't moving. I can tell you that much. But didn't the Bengals win last week without Burrows? Look, Chaos, you had $50 of drawdown left in your account and you pulled out of it and finished the day green. I love to see shit like that. What a happy ending. The Dolphins versus the Jets. Watch the fucking Jets beat those fucking bums. And I'm not a Jet fan. The Jets are a fucking embarrassment. Yeah, Burrows had surgery, Bobby D. He had to get surgery for his turf toe. Oh. Does this want to fucking rip? Look, it's having trouble getting over this fucking... You see this cuck zone right here? It needs to get through this cuck zone. Crank, what up? Nice, Sean. Fucking get the job done. Get the job done, bro. What happened to the Mets? They're a fucking embarrassment. That's what happens when you suck for 3.5 months. Cincinnati handed you the playoffs, and you couldn't even score one fucking run against the Marlins. Just so you know, if you look at the Marlins over the last 4 months, the Marlins were the better team. The Marlins were like 10 games over 500 in the last 4 months, and the Mets were like 10 games under. Midnight Open was 1525, 8:15:25. Got you, Kenny. What up, Johnny? Who had surf toes? Vince. Joe Burrows. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Just got approved. Nice job. Hey, Mike Crotch. And the Marlins love knocking the Mets out of the playoffs. It's not the first time they've done this before. So they were taking pictures on the field like they won the fucking World Series. Oh, it's fucking great. Soto had his best year ever. Pete Alonso had one of his best years ever. Lindor had a good year. Nimmo had his best year ever. But Diaz had one of his best years ever. But their pitching was so fucking bad. Everybody else sucked. Sherry, what's up? TPT, what up? Smash that like button for Trevor LeConte. Oh, that was you? Mike, that was you, bro? Oh, stupid asshole. Mike, you got me, bro. Bro, that's fucking good. I thought that was like a real dude. Stupid asshole. I get it, bro. Hey, everybody smash the like button for fucking Mike Crotch getting me with his fucking another alter ego. Oh, man. Let me know what you guys think. My costume in the cuck zone. I should just be a cuck zone as my costume. Stupid assholes, you Slim Shady. I feel like I missed the opportunity to pass another eval here. What's Gold doing? I have the VWAP at 870. This is the extended hour VWAP. It's at around 870. New York, the VWAP. New York's the VWAP is at 875. We're almost at the bottom orb. Yeah, this shit's fucking going, man. Fuck. I'm so mad I could just scream. This is not a bad spot to go short, though. 4. The fuck? We got some resistance right here. I don't know. I think it's going to fucking keep going. I missed it. I'm so annoyed. Greetings from North Merrick. Would ye? What up? Sukamadik, Yash. My Coxmall is around somewhere. Fuck it. Might be the only red. Well, we got time. 828. I just don't know if it comes down to 813. 812.75. It might just want to keep going up. I missed it though. Like, this was a fucking great little move. Like, look at this move right here. We went from 800 to fucking, it was 30 points. That's not bad. Considering a lot of the power hours recently were like kind of flat until we got to the, you know, the fucking algo candles. I'm a legend around here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure. I just don't know. It probably comes down. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get this. It might bounce around this fucking area. See? That's what I was afraid was going to happen. Let's see if it keeps dropping. Come down to the bottom here and just pass it. That would be great if it came down that far and just went a little bit further. Oh, let's go. Drop it. No? Was that it? That was it. Maybe it keeps going. I don't know. Let's see how many points this 5 minute 21 has in it. This 5 minute 21 rejection has in it. Ooh. Ooh. Does it have the whole fucking, does it have all 15 points? Does it have 15 fucking points in it? No? Am I going to be a bitch and fucking lock in gains instead of letting it go all the way down? We talk about this a lot. Why don't you just take the green? Because as soon as I fucking lock in gains, it's going to go and hit my take profit. But only if I stay in the fucking trade. If I stay in the trade, it won't. Look how close it got. How many points away was that? 4 points away. Now it's going to bounce 12 points. I run into this shit all the fucking time. So I was up as much as, where's the account? I was up as much as 2,000. Now I'm going to lose all my drawdown. I thought about locking it in. But now, whatever. This account's going to blow. This eval. This shit happens a lot. But I'm telling you, if I would have fucking locked in gains there, it would have fucking kept dropping to my take profit. So I decided, I made an executive decision to see what happens, but we all know what's going to happen. It's going to come back up 12 points from here. 12 points from 16. So 28, almost there. Almost there. There. Almost there. I don't even need the trailer. We all know what's going to happen. We already know what's going to happen. I already fucking told you guys. How many times do you see this happen? I'm telling you, though, if I would have fucking got out of the trade, it would have kept going down. I'm telling you. There it is. Peace. At least my funded accounts are great, and I passed one. Dude, it's so fucking, it's like fucking I fucking know when it's going to happen every time. I'm telling you, though, without it, beyond a shadow of a doubt, if I fucking got out of the trade, it would have kept going down. And I would have fucked it up that way. Alfred, Cone Killer. There's no one realer. Dope Book Futures, what up? I'm still alive, yeah. Coach Singh. Too much humidity, Alfred. I thought I was thinking about getting out here, and it went up fucking, what, 9 points from there? I don't know, whatever. I know. I could hide it, though. I could hide it. There. No red accounts now. 64% said we're going to the VWAP out of 44 votes. Yeah, I mean, this is the fucking... We bounce exactly off of Tuesday's fucking low day. My fucking level was drawn at Thursday's high day. We wicked below it. Below me. And now we're fucking just cruising up. Doesn't mean we won't dump at some point, but I don't know if it's going to happen today. Yeah. Oh, well. I can't get in here, though. Or can I? It's just so hot. It's so up. Stretch to the upside. What's gold doing? Gold's cruising. They look the same to some degree. Waiting for the landscapers. I know, right? See, now, where's the NQ? We're almost at the bottom orb on the New York NQ. I know, PJ. Even if they're down the block, it sounds like they're right in the fucking right behind me. These houses have no insulation. They could be 3 doors down. It sounds like they're fucking right outside. PJ, what up? All right, we're getting close. Was that it? Is that it? There's two blown. We're gonna have 2 blown evals now. That went from 39 to 9. All I have to do is go down 3 points here, and that's it. And this is cooked. Too heavy. Well, whatever. I really wanted to put past, one more. I'm not gonna get it. This is gonna blow. Fucking A, man. I fucking knew it. It's gonna hit it eventually. But it won't be until after I'm out of the account. 32, 48. Man, from there would have been perfect. Yeah, this is cooked. I'm going to have to hide another one. This one was right there, too. This one needed 4 points. There we go. Peace. I just don't trade MOC that good lately. I used to be good at trading MOC. It just had no fucking, it had no juice. It had no fucking juice. It went up, what, 8 points? Did it hit? Here's the question. Oh, look. Look, it rejected right off the fucking bottom orb on the fucking New York NQ. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, just buy the dip. LeBron's. Now it's going to fucking push. Whatever. What are you going to do? This one was close. The move was like riding this bounce here. Any of these bounces. 16 to fucking 48. Oh. Let's see how much of a mistake this was. I figured maybe this bottom orb holds, gives us a big move to the downside, but I guess not. I don't know. 33, 18. I already missed out on fucking, 15 points. So how much more of a move does it have? You know what I'm saying? Like, I already fucked it up. We're not getting these massive fucking moves in these dips and drops. So too much chasing. We'll see, though. And we got the 54-minute candle coming. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm probably going to fuck this one up, too. Up here, look, see, like right here, 48. That's enough. That's enough. That was more than enough to pass one of these fucking things. But I'm like getting in the middle of the fucking move. It was more than halfway down. So now look, here goes all my drawdown again. Awful. Awful job. And it's another one of these. It came to do the same fucking thing. We'll see. So it's just the entries are awful. The entries are awful on every one of these trades I took with the evals. Every eval that I traded with had awful entries. Like, imagine having a short, an order at the top, the bottom orb, the bottom New York orb. That would have been fucking money. Let's see if it fucking drops all the way through or is it going to bounce here. The 55-minute candle is about to hit. Yeah, see? We'll see. Not yet, not yet. Probably goes up. See, it fucking never fucking fails. Just drop it. The issue is where my entry was. That's the fucking problem. But whatever. What's some more blown evals? I'm trying to get to 8,000 evals, guys. Talk to me when I'm at 8,000 evals, where I'm at as a trader. I should be better by then, right? Probably. Talk to me when I'm at 9,000 evals. The one that pisses me off more than anything is this one. Where is it? This one right here. This one was one tick away last night. One tick away. Couldn't just give me one more fucking tick. And of course, I wasn't watching it. It couldn't just give me one more fucking tick. Is it going to give this to me or no? Those are your, hey, look, here's your fucking 55-minute candle. How many points was that? The 55-minute candle was 8 points. And your 50-minute candle is this one. And that one was 14 points. Those are your MOC candles. That's garbage. Like dog shit. What's gold? What does gold look like? Nothing much. MG. Well, you should basically buy. Yeah, I mean, you should just do the opposite of what I've been doing because I suck. I suck at trading MOC now. The issue is where my entries are. If I calculated my entries more accurately or just better, more gooder. Like this is right here. This is the top. This is the bottom orb on the New York orb. That was fucking money right there. More than enough to pass. But I got it in the middle of this fucking move. The worst possible spot. So now I'm at the mercy of whatever these fucking cocksuckers want to do. They're probably going to go up just enough to fucking blow the account. Would be cool if they dumped it. I don't think either one of us are getting what we want unless they have a big move into the close. Because some people, you know, we had a fucking little poll. Are we going to the VWAP or dumping hard? And neither one is happening right now. Yeah, I got 4,500 on this one. Look at this shit. Make up your fucking mind. Blow the eval or fucking dump it and pass it. I mean, one or the other. I guess it's going up. This is fucking dog shit price action. The moves to be had were like here. This drop right here, that was earlier. That was like that was 45 minutes ago. That was nice. We went from 80 to 48. That was 68 points. Now like nothing's happening. Maybe the next 17 seconds we'll find out what's going to happen. F4, what up? Micah. Micah. Josh. Here we go. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Wow. How did I not fucking give it a chance? It'll blow me. Blow me. Wow. What a lucky fuck. How many points away was I? Well, 4.5 points. I'm waiting on the clear to close, Josh. I'm waiting on the clear to close. Then I'll know for sure. I mean, everything is moving in that direction like it's going to happen. Just like this account's about to blow. Damn, bro. I fucking 0 for 3 on the stream. 0 for 3 on the stream with these fucking evals. Now it's going to drop. That sucks. I was having a good day. I mean, those are evals. I passed one. I should have passed another one. This one was at 2,000. This one was at 2,000, over 2,000. This one was at 1,700. You know, the issue is just my entries. My entries are just awful. So, like, let me go to 1446. Where was the one that was at 2,000? This one right here. 1445. Where was the entry? Nah, I mean, that was close. That was just, it just decided to bounce. That wasn't a terrible entry. I mean, I passed one. I passed that one. This one's unofficially passed. I need one more day on that fucking thing. I just got to flip. These are looking good. I didn't trade any bulenox. I got this one. Bulenox is 91% off still for the rest of the month. 91% off. Where is this shit? I forgot I had this eval. Oh, I guess it is. That's not the VWAP. Not even close to the VWAP. That's the shit that pisses me off. Look at Project X. Look where Project X has the fucking VWAP. That is not where the fucking VWAP is. That's not the fucking VWAP. It's not even close. Imagine like taking this as gospel. Couldn't be further from the fucking VWAP. The VWAP is at around here, 867, 870. Mambo Lambo. Carlos, what up? Investors, what's good? Armando, what up? Miss Goody, blow me. Martin AP. Well, that's what they say they're going to do now. It's 3 payouts on the same account. It's the same account. That's what they're claiming. I don't know anyone who got put into live yet, though. Even this right here. 23, like, just fucking wrong. I'm just wrong. I don't know what else to say. But I got, hey, the one trade I took that mattered, or the 2 trades I took that mattered were these 2. On 48 and 40, 448 and 449, I got my brand new PAs up $869 on the stream. Just my style. What up? Mambo Lambo, I have not been doing good. Last couple of days I've been okay. I didn't blow any funded accounts today. So we're making progress. Crouton. Isn't Apex better than bulenox? Stock cards and bets? They are. I like them more, but some people just don't want to fuck with Apex with all the new rules and shit. So bulenox is like how Apex used to be. There's no income, you know, it's how Apex is basically how Apex was before they changed their payout format almost a year ago. So we had 76 votes here. The VWAP and the hard dumper didn't happen. Not yet, at least. What up, Mac? Well, when Apex changed their rules last year, they added the improper risk management rules. They changed the days from 10 to 8. They implemented a buffer. I mean, bulenox has a buffer on the first 3 payouts too, but there's no improper risk management rule. They have a 40% consistency rule. You have to trade for 10 days like you used to have to with Apex. There's something though, like with you can't have any day that you have that's 20% less than any day that you have in your 10 days that you're working towards a payout that's less than 20% of your biggest day will count as a flip day. So keep that in mind. We learned that. Dan. No blow here. People also like to mix it up, stock cards and bets. They like to have multiple accounts and multiple prop firms. I like trading with bulenox because I wanted the challenge. I need to be able to trade for 10 days to get to a payout. I need to be able to do that. Right? Parminder. I'm fucking annoyed about whatever. It don't matter. I've been trading MOC. I mean, I've been trading everything like shit, but I've been trading Power Hour like dog shit. My entries are not the greatest, and I get burned on my evals, but whatever. I passed 1, so I'll have 6 funded Apex accounts starting to, when the market reopens or tomorrow's session. I got these 2 are on day 2. They're up $1,900 after day 2. These are up $869.50 after day 1. Look at this. See, that's enough right there. Amazing. It rejected off the top orb again. Bottom orb. Sorry, bottom orb on the NQ for New York's orb. This is on day 4. I'm up $3,000, $3,041.50 to be exact. Another trade where if I hold my take profit, I'm up $1,200. So, it's kind of annoying, but whatever. We'll just take it one day at a time. I need 1,059. I need 1,060 to get to max payout land on this. How hard can it be? Jake Bradley. How many days? Oh, is that why you came here? Not even a real person. How many days before your mom blows me? I don't know. Where is she? Probably soon. Little schmuck. What a faggot. Pussy ass motherfucker. Fuck you. Create another account. Create another account, little bitch. God, it's been a while since we had some fucking loser create a new account just to be a prick. What a fucking loser. Little schmuck. I'll slap your mom's face with my little schmuck. How about that? Or maybe your wife's face. Or both. How about both? And your sister's. Erkan. Which amount can I request after violating the 30% drawdown rule with 500 requests and denied and traded? What do you mean? Oh, which amount? I don't know. Just go. Just Spencer X. Yeah, what? They're just gonna line up on their knees. Fucking loser. I just rage bait. I just do that. I just create accounts to rage bait. Alexander. Yeah, what's he gonna say when I'm at what's he gonna say when I fucking have a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month? F4. How many fucking accounts are you gonna create? What up, Crouton? Have you ever got to the double trailing drawdown with 50% consistency? I've had accounts there. I think, what do you have to get to 5,000 in profit? Erkan, I don't know the answer to your question to be exact. Just if it happened, get denied and grow the account. Or just have, if you're over, if you want to get to the max payout, just go to 41. You have to go to 4,100 no matter what if you want the max payout. You have 19 PAs in profit. It's just so fucking weird. Rebby, how much is the max payout? It's 3,000. So you got to grow that to 9,100. You have to go to 9,100 to get 3,000 on a 250K Apex. Yeah. And you need to go to 6,600 just to get the bare minimum of $500. Franny, what's up? Oh, by the way, if you guys want to hang out with the best fucking group of people on these prop firm streets, join the Discord. It's free to join. For now. For now. I got to pee so fucking bad. But I'm going to drop the link in the chat before I go urinate. What the fuck? Why is this shit not loading? There we go. You little schmuck. Little schmuck. Tyler's fucking around. Tyler's the homie. Yeah, Erkan, get the fucking job done, man. Get the job done. Here's the Discord link. Tyler's a homie. He ain't making fun of me. He's in his hot tub. You're in my hot tub. All right, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That person, you know what's funny about that fucking loser? They created an account. They created a new YouTube account. Then they subscribed to the channel. Then they sat there for 5 minutes just to fucking say that shit. Fucking losers. Start your own fucking channel. God. I'll be right back. If you got to bounce, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. I'll be right back. Sorry. I went to the bathroom before I left, too. I mean, before I got on the stream. Yeah, Mars, get the job done. Do you need to grow the account anymore, or you just got to flip? There's no doubt, bro. Make it happen. Make it happen. Is this shit done moving? Where's gold at? This shit literally died. So this week, tomorrow we got Jolt's job openings, German CPI, European Central Bank's version of jerk off Jerome. And then Wednesday we got ADP non-farm payroll, manufacturing PMI. You got a bunch of European CPI stuff. Thursday, we got unemployment claims. Bank of Japan's version of jerk off Jerome speaking at 9 o'clock at night. And then Friday is supposed to be non-farm payroll. The big daddy non-farm payroll, but it really all depends if the fucking government shuts down or not. And we got PMI, unemployment rate, all that shit. So the rest of this week is going to be busy in terms of volatility, as long as the government doesn't shut down. They barely fucking do anything to begin with, and they're still getting paid hella money. Not to mention all the kickbacks via money laundering to other countries. Oh shit! Did I say that out loud? Like, this shit's literally not moving at all. Oh my god. That shit's fucking funny. I'm looking at something in the Discord. Do we want commentary on I mean, what is it? Where else is it to say? It was brilliant marketing. Rena's fucking Twitter account blew up. Spencer. FBI, open the door. Yeah, we'll see. Regarding all that situation, I don't know. All I know is that Terry Trey's got 25K, and good for her. And the other one, whether it was orchestrated or not, acted like a big baby. But her account blew up. Like her social media accounts blew up. Regardless of what happened. Maybe Patrick was in the wrong about some of it. I don't know. I don't even fucking care. It just looked like a fucking marketing publicity stunt more than anything to me. Jay Hondo, yep. Taxation is theft. 1,000%. 1,000 million bajillion %. Donna. Like Sander. It wasn't Tori. It was some chick named Rena and Terry Trades were on Patrick's show. They were like having a trade-off for 25K or some shit. I don't even know. And it just turned into a fucking shit show. Whether it was on purpose or not, I don't know. I don't care. Holy Earth. Exactly. I don't give a fuck. But everybody was talking about it. Everybody was talking about it everywhere. And that's what I took away from it as a marketer myself. That's all I got from it was, it was brilliant marketing. Even though one person looked bad or the other person looked bad or whatever, or they both looked bad or one looked good, it doesn't matter. It was just brilliant. Which video? The whole stream? Pulled the whole stream down? Well, whatever. And she pulled down her whole long-winded fucking tweet saying it started off with, it was like a 5,000 word fucking essay. And it started off with, I still have whiplash. I still have whiplash from what happened. Which is when I stopped reading. Yeah. But I'm sure on the other end, it was great entertainment. And everybody was talking about it. And that's the takeaway that I got from it, was that controversy sells. Controversy sells every fucking day. And he's really good at whether it happens on purpose or it's manufactured. He's really fucking good at it. I need more. I need more controversy. And her fucking Twitter account fucking doubled in followers. You don't think that's going to help her in the fucking algorithm? You know what I'm saying? Bowser. She was wearing a neck brace. What up, one-stop trader? Hang on, I gotta hide my screen for a couple of minutes. I gotta take care of something. Gotta look at my mug. Gotta look at my ugly mug. But yeah, it's just brilliant fucking marketing. I need to come up with some I need to stir up some drama, some manufactured drama. Make everybody fucking talk about it. You know? You feel me? Can you feel me? Offensive zoom in on my big schnoz. And the bags under my eyes. 60-hour trader. Kardashian that shit up. Leo. Who's that? Oh, is that the girl from Trade Iffy TV or whatever? AME, what up? That's the girl from Trade Iffy TV, right? I think. Sorry. All right, back. We're back. Not that the market moved at all. Gucci bags. That's right. Eric Graham, what up? Who am I thinking of then? Is it true that you could only blow 2 Take Profit Trader live accounts and then they ban you? No. There are plenty of people, I've seen plenty of people in the Discord where the DCA gang hangs out, blow more than one fucking pro plus account and they're fine. Jordan's on my feet. Nike's on my feet, make my cipher complete. Yeah, exactly. Potentially trade day. Potentially trade day. They're not very degen friendly. John Q. You could flip whenever. You could get your flip days in whenever, John. Just make sure your other days, you don't have any day that's less than 20% of your best day, because they'll just treat that as another flipping day. So if you had a $1,500 day, right? None of the days that you want to count as your trading days in the group of 10 trading days can be less than $300. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Yeah, trade day is in it for the long haul with you. Robin, what's up? How are my trade day accounts? Well, I don't have the funded ones anymore. I blew those on Friday, but I have these on day 2. These are up $1,800. I just need 1,200 more to pass, and then we'll just try again. Take Profit Trader is pretty much passed. I just need to get one flip day in because I'm on day 4 with these. Because the first day I lost 170, then I got 1,501 2 days in a row, and then 190 today. I need just to get a quick flip day in. Apex is looking good overall on the funded side of things. I didn't blow any funded accounts today. By the way, just so you know, Apex has 80% off with no activation. I'm sorry, 80% off and $85 lifetime activation fee. That is, you know what I fucking forgot to do? Damn. That is going away tomorrow. $80% off Apex with $85 to make them holla lifetime PA fee. Yeah, it ends tomorrow, the end of the month. My funded futures. Here's the My Funded Futures deal. This is a pretty fucking good deal. I'll find it. It's if you've never had an account with them, if you haven't traded any account with them yet, you could get 50% off any account you want for new users. You could literally have a core account and if you pass it, you could be all in with a funded My Funded Futures account for as little as it's actually $38.50 when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. Other than that, if you're an existing user, you could buy one and get 25% off the next one. And both of these deals expire on the end of tomorrow, including Apex's deal. Also, My Funded Futures, Nathaniel, what up, kid? Venom, what's good? Erkan, I mean, that's all right, man. You're right there at the finish line. What up, Cube? Yeah, you know what else is ending tomorrow? At the end of tomorrow, too? 91% off of bulenox ends tomorrow. Option 1, 50K plus. That's ending tomorrow as well. And you all, we got 40% off Take Profit Trader with no activation fee with the best fucking code. And Trade Day, I don't think Trade Day is ending anytime soon. They got 30% off with no activation fee. Any new account you buy is 5 days to pass instead of 7, which is awesome. Yeah, this shit ain't going anywhere. Yeah, it is what it is, Erkan. If you're you're about to get paid on what, 18 accounts? It's just, it is what it is. I'm sure. Have you gotten paid on those yet? If you're approaching day 30 on funded accounts, you probably got paid on those. I'm leaning towards yes, but I mean, obviously, maybe not. I don't know how you grow accounts. I think you grow them at a regular. You're not slow with them. I don't know if you're full degen either, but if you've had some, there's a really good chance that if anyone has an account, a funded account for 30 days, that they've gotten, especially with Apex, they've gotten paid at least once with them. This shit ain't moving. Is this shit broken? What's gold doing? A grower, not a shower. What up, Sal? Yes. No. It's the $85 lifetime PA fee goes away when the sale ends. There was some confusion about that the last time. That's what I always knew it to be. And then And then I was told by my rep at Apex that it's not. And then he came back and said, no, it is. The last time we had that 90% off deal, the $85 lifetime activation fee goes away when the sale ends, unless they extend it. But it's going away tomorrow. So basically, if you want to take advantage of that promotion, you got to pass accounts tomorrow, the latest, unless they extend it. But as of right now, it's probably not going to be extended. I'm leaning towards it not being extended, but we'll not. I don't know. I'd hate to tell you guys to grab accounts if you're not the type to pass accounts in a day or two or whatever. You know what I mean? Tommy Stark, what up? Oh, Rick, that sucks. TJP, I know. They did, though. You know, they went on a stretch where that shit was $85 one-time lifetime activation fee for like months. They went on a long stretch when it was like that for a while. Nothing lasts forever, you know? Especially the good shit. NQ, still not moving. Hey.
Did you forget to give me my phone back?
Hey. I was reading all your texts.
That's fine. I have nothing to hide.
My wife is sexting.
Oh.
It's messed up.
You heard that.
Whoops. Carlos took a nap. Smart move. Smart move. I guess we're not. Look, so we did a poll. I showed everybody my poll, asked people, are we going to the VWAP or rejecting hard? This was during power hour. Neither happened. 66% said the VWAP. Hard dumper said, 34% said hard dumper. Neither happened. Never got there. Didn't even come close. Didn't come close to either one happening. Although we're down 22 points. That's gold. We're down 22 points from this high. But I was talking dumping, like going back down to this level. Nice, Carlos. Carlos has been on fucking fire. On fire. Pound that confetti like roast beef for him being a man on fire. Love to see it, man. Erkan, a lot of power hours have been weak. Although, I don't know, last week was pretty good. Last week was really nice, actually, volatility-wise. I didn't trade it that good, but there were – all the movement happened today. This is the 15. We just missed hitting 25,000 again, and then we dumped hard. Like, we popped. We went straight up when the market opened on Sunday, yesterday. Literally went up 250-something points and then came down almost 200. Psychic Trader, what up? I did not blow any of my PAs today. Thanks for asking. These two are on day 2. They're up $1,900 total. These are brand new. I got these up for the stream, 869. Although in both trades that I was in, all I had to do was hold, and I would have had a $1,200 first day, but whatever. And then this one's this is another one. If I would have just held, I would have had a $1,200 day, but this one's up 440. This is on day 4. This one's on day 4. I'm at 3,041 in profit. These are just on day 2. Day 2, day 1, day 4, and then I'll have a 6th one tomorrow. So I didn't blow any funded accounts today. A couple of evals didn't make it. I did pass one eval. My take profit trader eval is pretty much passed. I just need to flip and not lose $10, which obviously I could just hop in and hop out and be good. And then trade days are up $900. I'm up $1,800 overall. So looking pretty good. I'll take it. Fernando, what up? Thank you. Chill FX. On evals, yeah, you could do whatever you want, bro. You could do whatever you want on evals. You could straight gamble the fuck out of those accounts. Nah, I fucked up my trade day account. I blew it. I was looking really good too. I had the account. I had 3 funded accounts at $941 after the first day, and then I thought I was fucking slick and decided to trade them during the next day after the market opened. I missed a really great opportunity with gold, and then I got fucking chopped up with the NQ, and that was it. I blew them. That was like the climax of my fucking shitty month. So we're just gonna do it again and try not to be a fucking idiot. There's only a 30% drawdown rule on funded accounts with Apex. There's no rule. There's no drawdown on evals. There's no rules on evals. You could do whatever the fuck you want. You could pass in one day. This, like, look at this shit. It's not even moving. I almost feel like the market has halted. It's like barely going anywhere. Logan, what up? Oh yeah, October. How much worse can it be? There's only up from here for me after the month I had. You know what I mean? Yeah, chill FX. There's a couple improper risk management rules. They have a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule. They have a drawdown rule. Do not go down more than 30% of your drawdown in any one single trade, realized or unrealized. If you're under the buffer, it's 2,500 is the number that you go by. So don't lose more than $750 in a trade in a 50K. If you're above the buffer, it's whatever you're at to start the day. Here's a whole fucking thing. I'll drop this in the chat. Here's all the rules. Oh, is that not going to work? Oh, fuck me. Let's see if that loads. Yeah. Everything's right here on this page. But those are the two biggies. 30% consistency rule, 30% drawdown rule. Also, there's a scaling rule. Don't trade more than half of your max allowable contracts. Oh, shit, we're pumping. We're pumping. We're pumping, yo. My bad. Didn't want you guys to miss this pump. Oh, it's over. 3 points. Rick. No problem, Chill FX. Tim Morgan. We did okay. I didn't have a great fucking pass or smash session during Power Hour, but I did trade these brand new PAs and got them up $869, and I have almost all. Well, I have most of my drawdown. Classic case of if I just held to my take profit both times, I would have had a $1,200 day and all of my drawdown, but that's how it played out. I was trailing kind of tight, and I didn't want to fuck it up. All my PAs, I have every single funded account today. I didn't blow any of my funded accounts. They're all green. Exactly. That's all I can work out. What happens if Mars, if you violate the 30% drawdown rule, nothing happens other than when you request for a payout, you get denied. But you still keep your balance that's in the account. For it to count as a trading day towards a payout, $50. $50, Nathaniel. You need to have at least $50 in profit for it to count as a trading day. You need 5 of those, 5 days minimum with $50 or more. And then, so like, yeah, I'm just like thinking about all these little rules. So like you could get to max payout land. You could get to a payout over the buffer or whatever in the first 5 days and then flip the rest of the way if you want to. That's what I like to do if I can. But I'm just trying to grow these accounts. Yeah, Erkan, I saw. Yeah, a lot of us fucked up. And he's really good at growing accounts too. Erkan's talking about Nutty. He blew a bunch of funded accounts. I think Alpine did too. It's just been a crazy market, you know? And Tilt gets everybody. Those guys are like Alpine is the most for the most part the most level-headed dude I've seen trade on on these prop firm streets. And sometimes this shit happens, you know. Even Nutty's pretty chill when he's trading. I don't really. I've seen. I haven't watched Nutty in a while, but from what I remember, he's pretty laid back when he's streaming and trading. Yeah, low vol. Yep. You have $90 in your Take Profit Pro account. Oh shit, Jacob. So what are you gonna do? Get in with a micro and just fucking pray? But like, those guys, even if it happened, like Nutty's fucking having I think he's having his best year ever as a trader. He's still on pace to do over $200,000 in payouts this year, or something stupid like that. Alpine, I don't even know what he's up to. He's fucking having a crazy year too. Oh, he was revenge trading? Yeah. Knock, knock, blew their accounts on FOMC. Yeah, exactly. Alpine's at 300K in payouts, and we still have 3 months left. So he's basically on pace for a $400,000 year in payouts. It's fucking crazy. How hard can it be? I'm on pace to have my first ever $100,000 a year in payouts. I just gotta fucking turn things around for the rest of the year. Like what am I at? Let's do 11,900, 1850, like 9,100, 6,200, 18,700, 7,500, 14,200, 14,100. And then this month I literally only did 2,000. This month is awful. So how hard can it be to get 15,000 for the rest of the year? To have a six figure fucking payout year. That's not profit. All that is payouts, but it's still cool. And that was my goal, to do 6 figures in payouts for the year 2025. I'm not that far away. Especially if you take out this month. I've been fucking just in the last 4 months, forget about this month, 18.7, plus 7,500 plus 14,200. Before this month, I was averaging $13,625 over the last 4 months. I was averaging almost 14 grand a month in payouts before this month. That kind of fucked everything up. Even with this month, I'm still averaging 11,300 in payouts. So I think I'll be able to get the job done. I might even be able to pull it off this month, October. So I don't know. Just got to clean up the messy trading. I've been very messy and sloppy. Sloppy seconds. Oh, now we're dropping. Damn. 832 to 814. What up, War? It's just treat it like a business. You got expenses and you got revenue. Tyler. Yep. That's the best strategy. Guessing our way in and guessing our way out. Jake Bradley. Yeah, after that fucking nothing burger of MOC. On Friday, it slowly grinded up. On Friday was the opposite. PK. Yeah, bro. It was a rough month for me, man. Really bad month. You know why I feels worse than in February? February I had a month like that too, because I'm 7 months past where I was in February as a trader, and I still had a really fucked up month. You would think 7 months later that type of shit wouldn't happen to me. But here I am. It was just fucking so bad. And I had opportunity, like I had 20 funded Apex accounts, and of the 20 that I had in that first 20, I only got paid on one of them. And I could have gotten paid on 10 others, and I just fucked it up. So it is what it is. Be good, Dead 5. You're not bouncing early. I mean, we're pretty much done, so I appreciate you for hanging out. But twice, this is the second time I had 2 5-figure months in a row, and then the month after was absolute dog shit. So I got to be careful the next time I have 2 5-figure months in a row. Because I did 12,455 or something like that in December. And then I did 11,900 in January, and then in February I did 1,850. No matter what I did, I couldn't get out of my own way. And there was a lot of accounts I had that were close to payouts, and I kept fucking myself out of payouts. So, and then I did the same thing this month after having 2 $14,000 months in a row. Isaac. Yeah, that's all that matters, man. That's all that matters. As long as you're moving in the right direction. Overall. Shit like this is going to happen. I just hope it doesn't happen as bad. Like how bad my month was, I just wish this would never. I don't wish this on anybody. I don't wish it on anybody. My peaks and valleys are so fucking drastic. You know what I mean? I don't wish it on anyone. Kevin Tobias. I don't know. That was a nice little drop, though. 40-something points. 40 points. I wish I saved one of my evals. I had a fucking bulenox eval, but the shit was just moving so slow. I just don't. It was just a slow fucking drop down. It looked like it wasn't moving at all for a while. So Yeah, just one of those days. I'm happy with how I traded my funded accounts more than anything. Because this is the shit that gets you to the money. All 5 of my funded accounts are green by a good amount. It's all I could ever ask for. This might have some more to drop. I don't know. I don't even care. I'm not fucking with this shit now. I don't like trading it when it's moving this fucking slow. Maybe it's going to come down to this right here. What is that? 7.9. I mean, it's 800. Maybe they're gonna drop it to 800. We're gonna find out. I guess not. Tuan, what up? Do I ever trade Asia? Yeah, CC, I traded a lot. Is it time to buy? Almost time to buy the dip. F trades, what up? Isaac, yeah, I know what you mean, man. You see all those accounts, and if you're trying to trade them together too, or even in smaller groups, there's just so many. Maybe I shouldn't do that, but I just feel like I was right there. I felt like I was right on the edge of fucking taking them all to a payout, and then I fucking fumbled hard. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Carlos, he's fucking, yeah, he's having a great year. So if he blew, like, I know, we're just talking about what happened to me, and we were bringing up other people that's happened to. Like, he could stop trading for the rest of the year, and it's an amazing year. But he'll get more payouts. He still has 3 months. You got October, November, December. He'll probably get another. I mean, he's on pace. He'll probably get another 50 to 75 grand in payouts before the year ends, just based on his current pace. He's doing okay. He's about to get a few more wives. Oh, man. Yeah, he's making wife-changing money. Sunny Days, what's up? So, Tuan, to answer your question, I pushed this 50K test account over the profit target, and I'm on day 4. So I need one more day. I'm just going to flip real quick when the market reopens. Try not to lose like 20 bucks. Let me see what I have. I'm going to look on my other computer what I have to, how much I could afford to lose. I just can't lose like 18 bucks. I have to stay over $3,004. So obviously I'm just going to flip real quick and just not fuck it up. I'll probably, I like to win. I like to flip to win. So I'll probably just have a real tight fucking stop so that I don't lose more than like 8 to 10 bucks, just in case there's some crazy volatility. And then we'll call it a day. And then that'll be day 5. And then I'll be able to fucking activate that sometime this week or whatever. This is on day 4. I just need $1,059. How hard can it be? If I would have held my trade longer, I would have needed just like $400, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm just going to grow the accounts. I'm just growing the fucking accounts. I'll have 6 funded Apexes tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. MB, yeah. Oh, and they used immigration as the scapegoat in the UK. They did it in Vietnam too. They wiped out fucking 86 million people's bank accounts and said the only way you could get access to your money is if you get the digital ID. That was earlier this month. No one's talking about that. You know what everybody's talking about? While that type of shit is going on in Vietnam, that shit's the shit that's going on in the UK. You know what they're all talking about? Charlie Kirk. Always watch what the fucking they want you focusing on the left hand so you don't see what the right hand's doing. They're gonna do that shit to all of us. And it was a test. The first test was the COVID, the vaccination cards. Eric Graham. That was the beta test, the master beta test. They tested it with in certain major leftist cities. You used to be able to have to show your proof of COVID poke ID to get into fucking stores, just to buy food for like 2 months. It was all of this shit is just a test when they roll out the real shit. It's all the same shit. It's the WWE. Oh, you're good, Eric. Oh, nice. I like that, man. I love the hustle, man. I'm not gonna do it right at the open, Bowser. I'm not even gonna be here. I'm going to get some more shockwave therapy on my finger. So I'm going to be getting some PT. My appointment, what time is it? At 3 o'clock? Let me just double check that. I won't even be here for that shit anyway. Oh, it's at 4 o'clock. Oh, I get to fuck around. Yeah, I don't know. I'll be doing shit anyway. I got to go pick up a prescription because apparently I have an ear infection. I got to pick that shit up too. Daryl, what up? We already have our social scores. We already have a social credit score, bro. Don't let it. Remember, look at all the people that were like, not to say, forget about whether any of it even happened to begin with. That's just my opinion. And it doesn't matter what I think. Just remember what happened to a bunch of people who were publicly not upset about it. They lost their jobs. This social credit fucking score is here already, guys. Pinched nerve. Yeah. You probably need you probably need to get an adjustment. You probably need an adjustment more than anything. You took 140? Well, there you go. Anyway, guys, the market's closed. I got to make my update videos, and I got to go pick up a prescription. So, with all that said, smash the like button on your way out. If you can, please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. I'll be on tomorrow for Power Hour. Maybe I'll be on later on tonight if I could get on, or tomorrow morning, or both. I'm doing my best to stream more and more because I like to. Tactical, what up? That's a great fucking month, bro. Tactical, dude. I remember where you were over a year ago. That's a great fucking month. I love it. But anyway, guys, I got to bounce. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your day.